Want to create a professional, easy-to-use contact form for your WordPress website that actually does what you need? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through building a perfect contact form using WPForms, the most trusted drag-and-drop form builder for WordPress in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have an efficient, good-looking contact form on your site, complete with smart features like anti-spam and conditional logic, so your visitors can connect with you hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, we need to install and activate WPForms. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and on the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, just type in WPForms. You'll see it come up at the top of the results with that friendly logo. Go ahead and click Install Now. It'll take a moment and then you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Click that as well. Now watch your sidebar, you'll see the new WPForms icon appear. Give that a click and it'll launch their handy setup wizard, which really streamlines the process for you. Once WPForms is installed, it's time to actually create your form. Inside WPForms, hit the Add New button. This opens up the form builder, which honestly couldn't be more straightforward. First, name your form, so let's call it Contact Us. Naming forms is especially important if you think you might create more types of forms later on, like surveys or event registrations. Now you'll see a selection of templates. I recommend starting with the simple contact form template. Why? Because it automatically adds the 3 fields almost every contact form needs: name, email, and message. This gets you up and running quickly, but don't worry, you can always customize from here. Now let's talk about making the form your own. On the left, you'll see a bank of different field options, things like checkboxes, drop-down menus, or a phone number input. You can drag and drop any of these onto your form. For example, maybe you want to let users specify how they'd like to be contacted or collect a company name. Just drag that field into the position you want. Click any field to tweak it, change the label, make it required, so your visitor can't skip it, or add helpful placeholder text that disappears when the user starts typing. If you're using WPForms Pro, here's a cool tip: try out conditional logic. This means you can make fields appear or disappear based on other answers. For instance, if someone selects Call Me as their contact preference, you can instantly show the phone number field. You're only asking for info you actually need, which keeps your form clean and increases the chances people will fill it out. Next up, let's make sure you receive the messages and your users know their message was sent. Go to Settings and click Notifications. Here, check the Send to Email Address field. By default, it'll use your site admin email, but you can customize this to any address you prefer. This ensures important emails don't get lost. Then in Confirmations, set the message visitors see after submitting their form. You can display a friendly thank you message, or if you want, redirect them to a specific page, like a thank you page or resources relevant to their inquiry. All right, you've designed and customized your form. Now let's add it to your site. First, remember to save your form and exit the builder. Next, open the WordPress page where you want your contact form to appear. Let's say that's your contact page. Click the little plus icon to add a new block and search for WPForms. Add the WPForms block to your page, select your form from the drop-down list, and that's it. Hit Publish or Update, and your shiny new contact form is live. And you're done. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you now feel confident creating beautiful, effective forms with WPForms. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy expert WordPress tutorials. See you in the next video.